Hi, this is Tara Wood again, and we're going to go over some blogging tips on how to use your WordPress blog site. Now that you've sort of got it set up, you've looked, you've joined, and you've gone to the fast start and you've watched the videos. So there's a few key things I want to show you. So you're going to go here and you're going to log in to go blog. I've already got it set up. One of the things I want you to do right away with your new Empower site is you want to connect it to Google Analytics. And the Google Analytics site is where, and I'll take you to mine, you sign up, you get a free account, and this way we can track who's visiting your blog. And it helps you to know what's working, what's not working. I didn't quite get this until just recently, so it's been recording since I brought it on. So you can see here with my site here in the last week or so, it's not bad. So I've had 139 visits, 54 people have come to the site. So you can see here 982 page views, about 7 pages per visit. That's pretty good. The bounce rate spends about 11 minutes. That's pretty awesome actually. And we can go down here. I mean, this is what really makes it fun. And let's hit country. So in the last little while, what have we got here? Cool. Oh, I got someone new. I got Malaysia. So South Africa, Philippines, Malaysia, United Kingdom, Australia, Singapore, Canada, United States. That's wonderful. So if we go to, let's go to Canada and see who's looking at me back home in my beloved home country. So 1 person in Quebec, 3 in Ontario, 4 in Alberta, and 6 in BC. Yay, BC! That's where I was born. And let's go back and let's go see who in the States is looking at me. This is what really makes it fun, because sometimes, you know, you're blogging, you know, like, is anyone actually finding me? How's it going? Well, that's not bad. So you can see here Maryland, Kansas, Oregon, New York, Texas, California, Utah, of course. Know lots of people here. So that is so much fun. And we'll show you how to use Google Analytics a little bit more. If it helps you to know, yeah, it helps you know if people are actually looking at your site. So let's go back to your dashboard. So you're going to want to go down to settings. And on settings, you're going to go down to Google Analytics. You're going to click that. And that's the nice thing, they set it up for you. And so what you're going to put in here is the tracking code. So if you go back, you see your Google Analytics. And let's go back to my first page. There it is there. So these are some other sites that we have. So for my Empower blog, here's the number right here. So I'm going to copy and paste that, go back to my Empower site here. You're going to put it there, hit enable, save changes, and there you go. So you're going to get tracked. Exciting. So let's go to posts, and we're going to add a new post to show you a few of the fun tricks with putting in your blog. So here you want to make it an eye-catching, fun title that people are going to enjoy looking at. So you're going to, you know, type how to use the Empower blogging system. Great. Now, if you want to either insert a picture or a video, you click on right here. There was that little icon, and so you would go to your files. And let's say we're going to do a picture, and so I'm going to go to my pictures, and let's see. I think I'll go to this file, and let's find a fun picture. So I've got lots of fun pictures here. Fun pictures. Thing about blogging. Okay, let's pick that one. Okay, so I click open, and it's going to load up the picture or the video, and then you come down here, and in the alternate text, because it helps for the search engine spiders, because they're going to look at what names or words are associated with your pictures as well when they're finding things. So let's put blogging in there as well. and I want it to the left. You know, you can line it to the center, to the right. I'm going to have, say, full size. And I'm going to come down here and insert into post. And there we go. There's my picture. Okay, and pictures are really, really good when you do a blog. The more visual, the better. So whether it's a picture, a video. Now, what if, let's say you wanted this picture here to be a link. So if someone clicked on this picture, it was going to link them to maybe a YouTube video or another site. So you click on it, highlight it, and then you would click the link button, and then you would type in, say whatever, the web page you wanted it to go to. So www.powernetwork.com, you know, something like that. Anyway, so you update it. So now when you go to publish this, when someone's looking at this, they'll see that they can click on it and so forth. Okay, so we have added pictures or videos. We've added links. So it can either be a word or a picture that people can click on to go places. Especially sometimes if you want, you can screen capture and have a picture of a YouTube video. So there's something more than just words. Okay, so now over here is the SEO keyword search. Now I haven't really written anything in here. So let's say your keyword or what your article is about blogging. It's going to be really bad, but so you click enter, and so you come over here, and this little device is going to let you know. Oh, that's pretty good. No, it's not good. Okay, so you can see here it's saying, well, I need more words. You need a keyword in the first sentence. So my first sentence. I have a link to other pages. Okay. My images have, remember my images have the tag. They have a blogging keyword tag next to it. I don't have an H1, an H2, or an H3. These are important tags to have. And any of your keywords, they need to be, you know, bolded. You can see down here, bolded, italicized, underlined. So if your keyword's about blogging, whatever you're writing about, you want to underline. This is going to help the search engines find your article better, so you can get better, so people can find you. That's what it's all about, and good content as well. Now H2 and H3 and H1 tags, for example, they're like, not sure what the right word, some people might have explain it better. They should be like headings. So you go to paragraph here, you come down here and you click heading 2, and so now you've made this your H2 tag. And let's say, you know, you write some more, you know, words down here, and write some more. You come over here and make it H3, okay? You know, and you write some more, and then, you know, here's another heading, blog, yay, or something. And you can come over here and you can make that, again, another H3. So what it does is it helps the search engine spiders to focus on, okay, this is what your article's about. I don't know if that was very helpful or clear, but so those are some of the key things. Then when you come down, you're going to put what category this is about. So I would say it's about blogging. I'm not going to save this, of course. And then also the last thing you want to add is what are the tags. These also help to identify what it's about so people can find you. So I'll put in, you know, and put maybe about no more than 4 to 5. So it's about blogging. It's about the Power Network, you know, what have you. And then add. Okay. And so there you go, there's your tags. It's all about how to find you. And then hit publish. And then you're good to go. So Of course, I'm not going to publish this because it's sort of an example, and hopefully it's helped. This is sort of tip number one to get started is get your Google Analytics connected and start writing. Definitely you're going to want to add lots of pictures, lots of videos. You want to make your writing as simple as possible, visually appealing, always to the left. Maybe for no more than 4 to 5 paragraphs. You want to underline, bold, and italicize what your keywords are. Yeah, and I'll go more into keywords in another video, and hopefully that was helpful. Thank you, everybody, and we'll talk some more later. Bye.